Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zoom drawing. First, when you are sharing your screen in a Zoom meeting, locate the annotation toolbar. This toolbar usually appears automatically at the top of your screen. If it doesn't, simply hover your mouse over the top of your shared screen. For participants to draw, the host must enable annotation for others. This allows everyone to contribute visually to the shared content. Once the annotation toolbar is visible, you'll find several useful tools. The Draw tool offers lines, arrows, and shapes like circles and squares. You can select different colors and line widths to customize your drawings. The Spotlight tool highlights your cursor, making it easy to point things out. There's also a text tool for typing notes directly onto the screen and an eraser for corrections. Beyond basic drawing, Zoom offers advanced features to enhance collaboration. The Stamp tool provides preset icons like check marks or stars for quick feedback. The Spotlight tool turns your cursor into a red dot, perfect for guiding viewers' eyes. You can also use the Arrow tool to point to specific items. Remember, you can always undo or redo actions and even clear all drawings with one click. After a productive drawing session, you might want to save your work. Zoom allows you to save the annotated screen as an image file, such as a PNG, directly to your computer. This is incredibly useful for sharing notes or capturing ideas. To manage the canvas, you can clear all drawings at once or use the eraser for individual marks. The undo and redo buttons are also available for quick adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.